This is my Mustang S650 rear differential cooler install results. Got the tilt and pump and the fan from Summit. This is the outlet of the pump. Goes into the cooler and then into the fill port of the differential. The inlet comes out of this T, which I've insulated to keep a true reading so it's not falsely cold. Runs up around here and into the suction side of the pump right here. I had to ground the differential to the frame because it wasn't grounded, it was isolated with rubber to make this work. Wiring runs up over the subframe, along the brace, through the panel, and then up through here. You can see it runs up into the wheel well into the hole, and I'll show you the rest when I drop the car. This is the electronic version side of it. Tapped into the battery here, fused, relay, and so there's a single ground signal to the relay and the power line running to the back. That is basically it.